All right, well, so now we're going to move over to pre-construction. I have really great news for all of the contractors out there. You will now have access to a connected pre-construction experience, bringing together takeoff and estimation. And as a next step, qualification and bidding will be added as well. This will allow teams to take the latest set of models and make faster and more informed decisions. Now, but to really show the power of the new space, I will need another amazing product expert. And this time we're bringing up Nick. Welcome, Nick. All right.
Morning, Andrew.
All right, Nick, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, what can you show us?
Well, if I recall correctly, you had some construction done at home recently.
I did. Minor construction that cost way too much.
All right. Well, I think we're going to try and fix that for all of our contractors in the audience. So as you just saw, we've got the latest quantities from the models that Robin and Matt have updated, and the pre-construction team has that ready for me, the head estimator, on our Snowden Towers project.
Okay.
So I'm going to go ahead, press send to estimate. It tells me there's some new data. We're going to send that over, and we're going to jump out of takeoff and into our new estimate experience. We'll dive in a little bit and take a look at some of these details. So here we can see that we've got our material cost information along with the quantities being pulled across. We're going to make a change to that material cost. Was there any price changes along the way during your construction?
Many.
The market's a little volatile out there. I called Nashville Ready Mix yesterday. We're around $130 a cubic yard right now for concrete. So I'm going to update that. I've also got a waste factor here, so we know we're going to need a little bit of extra concrete.
Okay, so there's a good chance you're getting the right information in there and you'll have the right estimate.
Exactly. Right. In addition, because we're using model data, we're very precise, 145.83.
That's a lot of decimal points.
A lot of decimal points. I'm just going to round that off. When we go have a conversation with our owner, it's a little easier to digest nice, clean numbers. In addition to that, we also have all of the updated quantities that were already in the estimate.
Yep.
So again, we've got a nice review workflow here. I can take a look and see what's happened, in this case with our metal joists. We can see we've increased or decreased those quantities. I'm going to go ahead, accept all of those changes. As a result, we now have the latest quantities, and the entire project estimate is updated so that the project team has transparency into where we're at on cost.
And this is all using live data. It's the latest data that's available in the entire process.
This is using that same Forma data set in our common data.
So it's all connected along the Forma data management experience.
Exactly.
Okay, fabulous. All right, don't go anywhere, Nick.
I won't.
All right. All right, so let's continue to the next phase. As our project moves from pre-construction to build, our field team is on site managing their ongoing work. We're adding faster, more intuitive tools for them, like the new mobile app to capture progress photos, daily logs, and much more. There is even a new AI-powered feature that will soon let you capture issues in just a few seconds. You will only need to take a picture, and Autodesk AI will fill out those lengthy fields for you. It makes the process many times faster. And at the same time, our project manager can get tailored insights from the data captured on site and analyze any risk. So let's go back to Nick and see how that works. Nick.
Andrew.
Oh, there we go.
We're ready to head on site.
All right.
Safety is important on site.
Safety first. All right. We're ready.
All right. So we're in our Snowden Towers project, and we've got brand new custom dashboards showing exactly the key project information that my company's interested in tracking. So we've got a cost, quality, safety, and schedule dashboard, all for specific personas in our field crews, so they can know exactly what they need on a day-to-day basis.
And you've built these dashboards.
We built them from scratch using exactly the information that we want to surface. And I've actually got a new dashboard that's under construction. This is going to be our project controls dashboard for our field supervisors. It's ready to go. We're not going to walk everybody through the process of creating it, but getting it out to our field staff is as simple as selecting the Snowden Towers project. And we'll just verify it's going to go out to estimator. I was previously at the estimator, but I'm now superintendent. And we're going to hit save.
You wear many hats.
I wear many hats, literally.
Yeah.
Yep. And as soon as I go back to Project Home, that new dashboard for project controls is available. It's also available to anybody with a superintendent role on the project.
All right.
They have immediate access to all of the data to help them ensure the project stays on track, on time, and on budget.
And you can customize these per project, right? Every project can have its unique view for the project manager.
Exactly. Per project, per company, all available and deployable just as easy as you saw here.
All right, incredibly powerful stuff. Thank you, Nick.
Absolutely.
I'm going to give you back the hard hat.
All right, thanks.
All right, give Nick a hand, everybody.